Hi folks, this is Mary here at BISH'S RV. I would love to show you this Navion. This is a 24D. It's got all the things that you would need for a small family to be able to go out and have some adventures. You got lots of space under here, storage. Then these steps come out automatically, which is very helpful. You also have storage in here, which I really like. And then as we come inside here, you can see that there's just a really light feel because the colors are light. White countertops, white here. It just has a really nice light feel to it. So this is a really nice U-shaped booth with storage over top here. Then we have a huge area up here. So you can easily fit 2 kiddos up here. And then look at this fun window. Like that cute little camper van on the side. The little... I don't know, I just think it's a cute little feature.
Cute. Yeah.
It's a cute little feature that Winnebago does. Really spacious up here. I like that it's wipeable fabric. Wipeable fabric here, good for families. And then tons of counter space here. Love that there's a TV right across from this area. And then this one features a Murphy bed. So this is going to be a couch when you don't need the bed, and then you just pop down this bed. Nice feature here. And then the bathroom is in the back with lots of storage right here. Tons of storage. Pantry with these drawers. Nice. Really feels lots of room in there. And then the bathroom has a lot of space in there as well. Again, my name is Mary. If you would like to have any information or help on this unit, please give me a call, 406-850-4590. I love working with people and families to be able to get them to go on their adventures. So give me a call. Thanks.